I will show you a short demo video what we have done with the Raiffeisen Bank in Hungary. So what you will be able to see, I will just try to make it larger, but I don't know how to do it. But so what you can see here in this video will be how the integration of e-invoicing and request to pay can happen in the practice. So we integrated with Raiffeisen Bank Hungary's request to pay API ourselves as an enterprise customer, and we will show how an invoice is issued and how a request to pay is created from an invoice simultaneously. So you can see that we already created some invoices previously. In the layout, you can see the invoice list. You can also view the invoices. You can view the payment requests, which have already been created from the invoices. And now we are going to simulate an API call, which is the invoice issuance API call of the corporate customer. So you can see that the invoice is created, and simultaneously with the creation of the invoice, in the background, a payment request is created. You can see the invoice reference number and all the payer details. In the background, the invoice is created, and then the payment request is created. It is sent to Raiffeisen Bank request to pay API, and then it is sent in the Hungarian instant payment system to the payer's bank. And in the background, the payer in the mobile application approves the request to pay message. And you can see that within 5 seconds, the money arrives after the approval of the transaction. So you can see the new transaction in the online bank. You can check out the transaction detail in the online banking application. And we are now going back to the corporate's view, and we can see that a new invoice appears on the invoice list together with you can see the invoice reference number, and you can also see that the payment request was already done. So the status has changed to done, and this will enable the automatic reconciliation. So this is how request to pay request to pay service can be brought to life with the help of e-invoicing.